Says giraffe. The giraffe is chewing her food.
Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
Try to open your mouth like the hippo.
Can you say
Tongue.
tongue?
Here's a lick of tongue. Where's your tongue?
Can you say point?
Point.
The baby is pointing up. Can you point?
Head.
Head.
The little baby is lifting his head.
Can you do this? This is the word toe. Toe. The girl is touching her toes through her shoes.
Can you say eyes?